Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 9 and let me share with you how to reset the camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And I hope that you can see this special type of a line. It is a horizontal level, I believe. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically, it should disappear after resetting. So let's try to do it. We have to open the settings, which are in this configuration on the left side and at the very top of this option bar. And after tapping on it, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Tap on OK to confirm. And here we've got the very first evidence that we just successfully reset camera preferences because our camera asks us about the access to the location, so it's up to you whether you want to add it. And right here we do not have the horizontal line, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.